Okay. What is your name?
My name is Astan.
In which class are you studying?
I am studying in LKG.
Very good. I shall ask you the names of some of the world capitals. Okay? Are you ready? Now tell me the capital of Afghanistan.
Kabul,
Albania.
Rana,
Australia.
Canberra,
Bangladesh.
Dhaka,
Don't move. Bhutan.
Tippu,
Brazil.
Brasilia,
Bulgaria.
Sofia,
Burundi.
Bujumbura,
Canada.
Ottawa,
Colombia.
Bogota,
Cuba.
Havana,
Egypt.
Cairo,
Fiji.
Suva,
Finland.
Helsinki,
France.
Paris,
Germany.
Berlin,
Ghana.
Accra,
Greece.
Athens,
Guyana.
Georgetown,
Hungary.
Budapest,
India.
New Delhi,
Indonesia.
Jakarta,
Iraq.
Baghdad,
Israel.
Jerusalem,
Italy.
Tonian,
Jamaica.
Kingston,
Japan.
Tokyo,
Jordan.
Amman,
Kazakhstan.
Astana,
Kuwait.
Kuwait City,
Luxembourg.
Luxembourg,
Maldives.
Mali,
Mali.
Monaco,
Monaco. Monaco.
Monaco,
Mexico.
Mexico City,
San Marino.
San Marino,
Saudi Arabia.
Riyadh,
Singapore.
Singapore,
Stand properly. Don't move. South Sudan.
Juba,
Spain.
Madrid,
Thailand.
Bangkok,
Nepal.
Kathmandu,
New Zealand.
Wellington,
Norway.
Oslo,
Oman.
Muscat,
Pakistan.
Islamabad,
Palestine.
East Jerusalem,
Panama.
Panama City,
Peru.
Lima,
Philippines.
Manila,
Poland.
Warsaw,
Portugal.
Lisbon,
Russia.
Moscow,
Tunisia.
Tunis,
Turkey.
Ankara,
Uganda.
Kampala,
United Kingdom.
London,
United States.
Washington DC,
Vatican City.
Vatican City,
Zimbabwe.
Harare.
Very good. Give claps for Hassan.